Yeah, we're good. There you go. See, baseball, he's got his elbow up.
It's pretty steady too.
You know, with baseball, you put your elbow up when you're batting. Oh, he's pretty steady. That was just single, wasn't it?
That's a single. So that's it. Yeah, see, he's moving his shoulder. Yeah, you don't get it in there, right? You gotta tuck it in there. Shot to see him on.
What's that?
Shrapnel.
Oh, that's what it is.
That was better.
That was good.
That's better.